Hey everybody, so today, another beautiful sunny day here in East Tennessee. We're in Morristown at the I-81 Flea Market. So let's go check this out. Looks pretty big.
I'm excited.
So, starts down there, wraps the whole way around, and the whole way over there. So, yeah, looks pretty fun. We didn't have to go very far, did we?
Oh, sweet.
Little peepers. And more chickens.
Ooh.
What do you win?
A redhead.
Yeah. Turkey back there. Some rabbits.
They're pretty. Turkey back there.
Yeah. Burp, 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 burp. He's cool. Stephanie, you like those?
I like those. I don't know what they are, but I like them.
Yeah, they are pretty cool chickens.
Look at these turkeys.
Yeah. I like the mouthy one.
Needs a bigger cage, I think.
Some little duckies. They're cool. That's a cool old bus.
I love the little doll furniture and little chairs for the dolls.
And some creepy dolls.
I like that wicker. Wicker bassinet there. It's sweet.
Bunch of good looking produce. Electronics. And we got tools.
So that tells me that's a cool kid. It's a camp face. It don't hurt it one hour. But it looks to me like it wears something.
More produce. This is a pretty big place, isn't it?
It's very, very nice. Laid out pretty good.
Mm-hmm.
Good morning.
Hi.
Little Americana chicks. And little duckies.
They're sweet.
China white keys.
Oh, Stephanie found some dresses. Bushes and trees.
Get $5 each.
Grapes. There we go.
25.
$15 each. I don't know what that is though. So they do have a food truck and a little.
There's a sign for I-81 Flea Market.
Yeah. Open Saturday and Sunday. And then they have a little thing here to get drinks, which is kind of cool. What do you see?
I like these little sacks.
Yeah. Hey, every time a bell rings, an angel gets his wings.
He's so cute.
Yeah. Lots of shoes. And jewelry.
Pero este es natural, de todas las hierbas.
Oh, that's kind of cool.
Oh, I like that.
Remember that guy that used to sit up down here and sell
Yeah, that's creepy.
It's a mask, Halloween mask.
Yeah. Bunch of Coca-Cola.
Oh, that's cute.
It is pretty
I
cool.
like the rustic.
I kind of like that sign.
Uh-huh.
There's a new cow. You like that little...
10.
A bunch of bicycles. More produce over there.
Some cute things down this row.
Yeah. Oh,
You
yeah.
know I love those. Right?
Yeah. That is kind of cool.
Copper molds. And a sword. That's cool.
Yeah.
Cool sword.
Don't need a sword.
I like him.
You like the little puppy. Yeah, that's kind of cool. Little butt cans.
Cute. Clever.
That is.
What are you asking for those? $8? That is so clever.
Last little line. So I've seen lots of hats like that, but I just saw the coolest one. A little ducky. That's too cute. Pretty cool belt buckles and hats. Yeah, I like the wallets too.
I like the way it smells. I love leather smell. That's one of my favorite smells.
This is so cool. So they even have cactus of some sort, which is awesome. Different chilies, peppers. That's kind of cool, isn't it?
I love it. Look how big their boots are.
Yeah.
That's a nice a variety of good-looking veggies.
Yeah. All right, so that's going to do it for this video. We want to thank everybody for watching. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. And until next time, have a Steph-N-Lee day.